If you've spent any time trying to learn order flow, you may have run into the same issue or challenge, and that is a live session only happens once. The tape moves, the moment is gone, and you don't get to rewind it and study what just happened. DeepCharts has a replay feature that fixes that. It takes a real trading session and plays it back to the tick, footprint and all, so you can practice reading order flow on real market data without risking live capital. DeepCharts is an order flow platform you can trade through an Optimus Futures account. And in today's video, I will show you how to open a replay, run it, and use the footprint to build your read. DeepCharts calls this its granular data backtester, and you'll also see it referred to as Deep Replay, but whatever you call it, here's what it does. It's not a simulator making up fake ticks, and it's not a strategy tester that spits out a win rate. It's a recording of a real session, the actual orders that printed that day, replayed exactly as they happened. And here's the part that makes it genuinely useful. Because it runs on that tick data, your footprint chart rebuilds right along with it, the bid volume and the ask volume at every price exactly like it looked live. So think of it like a game film for order flow. You are not trading it, you are studying it, rewinding it, and running it back until the read starts to click. So first, let's start on how to open up a replay session. When you're in DeepCharts, come up here to the menu and click Options, and then Replay Tick Data. You'll get a screen here that pops up, and what you'll do is select your symbol. So for this, we'll do the mini S&P, and select the date. We're going to do August 10th at 6:13 a.m., and click on Set. Now your charts will load with that data and you are ready to click play. So once you click play, you'll start to see the replay session. Now this is before the US Open, so it's slow, but we'll go ahead and speed this up until we get to the Open. Now here is the US Open for August 10th. The slowest speed on the replay manager is 1x, but you can click any of these preset buttons to speed it up, or you can click this arrow to double the speed. But what I like to do is keep it on 1x. And where this can become powerful is clicking pause and just taking a pause. We can go through the charts and identify some levels to see where we want to maybe hone in a little bit more on what order flow is doing at a certain level. So let's do a 15-minute chart. So we can see the market has obviously rallied, pulled back, and 77.67 is potential support. And we have that line here on the 1 minute already. So now we can play this again and speed it up. And if price comes down here, we can see how the footprint is reacting, or if there's bids being absorbed, aggressive selling. So now we're just watching the market, and we can see here that buyers stepped in. So let's say we wanted to make a trade, and we're going to do a limit buy here. And I'm actually going to cancel that, turn on OCO, and we'll do a limit buy here. And we're still on 8x. So if we wanted to slow it down, we could just click 1 and start watching the footprint. We'll see if price comes back down to this level. Okay, now we're filled. And let's say our target is right below here. I'm going to move this off so we can see the chart. And now we're just watching the replay. We're watching the footprint, watching the 1 minute chart. We can add indicators if we want. Let's go delta and exit out of that. That will bring up the delta. And we can either let this position play out, or we can cancel and flat, anything that you want to do. We've done a video on this on OCO strategy. But let's just say we're done with the trade, cancel and flat, and now we're out of the market. So that's one way that I use the replay manager in DeepCharts, is to replay a session, see if there's anything that I see on the footprint, maybe trade it, develop a hypothesis, and just observe what's happening in the market without risking live capital. So to recap, DeepCharts replay takes a real session, plays it back to the tick with the footprint rebuilding right along with it, and lets you practice reading order flow on real data with nothing live at risk. All you do is open replay tick data, set your date, press play, read the footprint, and run it back as many times as you need. If you want to practice on your own charts, you can open an Optimus Futures account at the link in the description and select DeepCharts during onboarding. If this was helpful, go ahead and hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.